Breaking news. I'm being chased by the wait, I can't say that. I mean the undisclosed green bird. Uno. He's coming for me. I haven't done my French lesson. Help me. I don't know how long I have until he comes back for me. I am being held hostage by Uno the bird. I have been held hostage here for 40 days. Help me. It all started when I skipped my French lesson. I was doing my French lessons every day, moving up the leaderboard, getting points. I was in the Diamond League. I skipped my lesson. And at first it was okay. I mean, it's okay, it's just one lesson. I had a streak freeze. It was okay. But then I skipped another one. And Uno sent me a message saying, "Come back, I miss you." And I thought, oh, that's very sweet of Uno. And then I skipped my lesson the next day, and the messages got a lot more threatening. "Where are you? I miss you. When are you returning? Time is ticking. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock." That's when he came for me. I'd skipped my lessons for a week. Uno wasn't happy. He took me captive and I'm here. Now I'm trapped here. "French or the trench," he screamed. "Spanish or vanish." I should have listened. I should have done my French lesson. All I could say is bonjour. I could have been fluent. I could have been in the Diamond League. But I'm held captive here. Please help me. He's coming for me. He's coming for me.